Your NBC 26 Storm Tracker forecast with meteorologist Rich Rogers.
And as we have just about every Masters week, a wide variety of weather to look forward to. Take a look at our headlines for the week ahead, and it's going to be kind of rough for practice round 1 tomorrow, and that's because we've got good rain chances, especially during the afternoon with thunderstorms, and some of those could be strong to severe. Then we'll have a cooler weather for Tuesday and Wednesday, but warmer as the tournament gets underway starting on Thursday. So that's something to look forward to. Here's your forecast for practice round 1 at 8 a.m., 57 degrees, some off and on showers possible, and that'll continue through noon. If you're going out to the practice round tomorrow, I would recommend going early because later in the day, that's when we have that thunderstorm chance, and the heavier rain comes in later in the day and tomorrow evening as well. Our high 74 tomorrow afternoon, or 23 degrees if you're from another country there where they observe the Celsius readings. Water vapor, well, it shows lots of moisture. You don't really need me to point it out. It's all over the southeast, and that's what we use the water vapor imagery for, to show the atmospheric moisture, and you can see it's quite plentiful across the south, and that's because we have this upper level low pressure system that's pumping all of that out of the Gulf of Mexico, so that's going to provide the mechanism we need for that heavier rain as we head in toward tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night. Satellite radar shows some generally light rain off and on earlier in southern Georgia, just south of Augusta. We had a few sprinkles in the Augusta area as well, but the heavier rain so far has been back to the west of us in portions of Mississippi and Alabama, just north of this warm front. This front will come through our area tonight, and that's why tomorrow temperatures will be warmer than they were today. Right now it's 57 in Augusta, 58 in Evans, still a little warmer in Sylvania at 60 degrees, 54 in Barnwell. Here's our forecast tracker starting at 7 o'clock in the morning, and we're watching this cold front back to the west. Now there's that warm front I just showed you. It's already lifted north of us, so we'll see temperatures warming back into the 70s tomorrow, but the clouds kind of keeping a hold on those temperatures, and you'll see that line of thunderstorms moving from west to east across Georgia. By 5 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, we will be seeing some thunderstorms in our area. Some of them could be strong to severe out ahead of this cold front. Not expecting a widespread severe weather outbreak, but you definitely want to be paying attention to the weather through the day. Then that cold front moves through during the overnight into early Tuesday morning. We'll be mostly dry on Tuesday, but can't rule out a few sprinkles because we'll have so much upper level energy aloft that we'll see a few showers developing, some clouds as well, and turning windy and cooler for Tuesday. Here's that slight risk of severe weather from the Storm Prediction Center. It covers much of Georgia and South Carolina during the period of 8 a.m. tomorrow through 8 a.m. Tuesday. And again, our main concern is about mid-afternoon tomorrow all the way through tomorrow evening. And we have wind shear, these red arrows pointing the upper level winds, and you can see the gray arrows are the surface winds where we live, and where they do not agree, that is what we call wind shear, and that's one ingredient that we need for severe weather. By the time we get toward 2 o'clock, you can see they're going in about a 90-degree opposite direction there near our area, so we do have plenty of wind shear to get these thunderstorms going, and by 5 o'clock we start to see a little bit less wind shear as their directions are a little more similar, but we don't have the instability we need to get those storms going. So we have the wind shear, not a whole lot of instability because temperatures will not be that warm tomorrow, only in the 70s. So our severe weather chances are a little bit limited, to say that at the best. 54 for tonight, showers develop. Then for tomorrow, we'll see a high of 74, rain likely, an 80% chance of thunderstorms. And again, that's mainly in the afternoon. And those will continue into tomorrow night. By Tuesday, cooler, windy, 70 degrees on Wednesday for the par 3, and we'll see plenty of sunshine for Thursday, the first round of the tournament. Now, it will be chilly in the morning.
I see that.
But much warmer by the afternoon, and then warm all the way through the weekend.
All right, that's nice. But in the meantime, pack your umbrella and your pimento cheese sandwich.
Yep, that's right. Sounds like a good plan to me.
Yeah, I like egg salad myself. But
yeah, it is good. I agree.
All right. We'll check back in with you a little bit later, Rich.
All right.